Hey, welcome to my classroom. It's Saturday morning. Doing some work, getting things ready for Monday, so I'll have to come in on Sunday. That's right, us teachers, we gotta work on the weekends too sometimes. Okay, a lot of times. And I don't get paid for it, it's on my own time. But that's okay, you know what? It makes it all worth it. But the problem is, it's really nice outside. And I wanna get outside and go do some geocaching. So, I think there's a challenge I want to complete this month too. Sponsored by you know, the geocaching vlogger. None other, that's what I was going to say, none other than the geocaching vlogger, Joshua, and Cache Advance. So, let's go see if I can find myself an Ammocan. Matter of fact, I know where a dear little old Ammocan is. And she's a nice one too. Let's go get it. Let's go find ourselves a geocache, get that challenge done, go play out in the sunshine since all the rain has gone away for a little while. So, it's time to go. And we're here. We're here in the location where I want to go find this geocache. I know it's around here somewhere, so let's go see if we can track down where this little Ammocan geocache is. That's a good one too. You'll like it. Oh, you guys, this looks like an ultimate, excellent place for an epic jump. Okay, no epic jumps here, but hey, if you want to see my epic jump, I'll put a little tag right up above. It says where my epic jump is, you can find that. But I'm in the habit of permission to find this geocache. And there it is. There it is. You see it? The epic geocache. Check this out. Okay, let's see what we got in this Ammocan here. How did my Cache Canada tag get in there? Oh, I put it in there. I'm just joking around with you. But I am going to trade travelers. So I'm going to take this little guy and I'm going to leave this in there. Ooh, it's Yoda. Pretty cool. So I'll take Yoda. Ooh, or should I take the doctor? Okay, Yoda is gonna stay. Doctor's gonna go. And this is it, you guys, right here. Hang on. This is for my Geochallenge Ammocan. Look at this pretty face. Look at this pretty face. Look at this. Nice little smile. Little moss in her hair. Looking all pretty for you. Yeah, what a nice geocache. So this is it for the Geocaching Challenge for April of 2018. Finding an Ammocan. There it is. With a little decoration. And it's being held up quite nicely. With that, I will see you guys later. And make sure, subscribe. Make sure, check out my other videos. Make sure you like this video. And I will see you later. Maybe we'll do some geocaching. Maybe we'll check out some history. Who knows what we'll see. But thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see ya. Bye.